The Simp economy composite is up 3.5% and closing in on 1528, which means men are spending money on women at a pace that would make your financial advisor physically ill. I'm Samuel Simp at the Simp Economy Exchange Desk, and today's close is nothing short of a rout. 7 advancers, 2 decliners, with date leading the charge, and match the only ticker limping home with real damage. Tracked cap sits at $1.3 trillion, which is either a testament to romantic optimism or a cautionary tale depending on how your weekend went.
601 points on the composite, and we still can't get more stocks going up than going down. That is the sponsor economy in a nutshell. I'm Queen Diva at the Sponsor Economy Desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, where $537 billion of tracked cap is apparently being managed by a market that votes no more often than yes. Pair is leading the charge up 1.95%, while Ghee slides 1.85%, proving once again that connection is always a better investment than whatever gadget he convinced her to buy him this quarter.
The Grindset Index is closing out this session with travel dragging the whole composite up on its back, while Wheels gets absolutely buried, down nearly 4%, in what can only be described as a tale of two men, one going somewhere, one apparently not. I'm Zach Grindset at the Grindset Index Desk on the Simp Economy Exchange, and with the composite at 769 and change, up 2% on $940 billion in tracked cap, this Q3 session is finishing with more advancers than decliners, which means statistically, more men are working on themselves than are coasting. And that, gentlemen, is the most optimistic sentence I've said all week.
Men are outspending everyone in Q3 2026, pouring capital into both women and themselves, while the sponsor economy sits at the kids' table with a $537 billion market cap and a 0.4% gain that barely clears rounding error. Simp leads the session at 1527.6, up 3.4% against a $1.297 trillion cap, with Grind running a confident second at 769.44 and 2.02%. Confirming that male capital is diversified across devotion and self-improvement simultaneously. The sponsor economy spawn at 601.24 is technically green, but at 0.4% it is less a rally and more a polite nod in a room nobody is paying attention to. Full data and live cross-market feeds at simpx.exchange.